Okay, I'm coming to a different section today. This is, I'm gonna call it the backcountry because it's not in the state park. Look at that. Never heard of Bear's Mouth Bridge, but I guess we'll see it. I am with someone today, but she doesn't want to be on here. So instead, we're gonna show her dog. Hi! Oh no, that's a terrible thing to do on here. That's okay. I know it's something that has to be done. And it happens every time I bring my dog. She goes right as soon as we go on the trail. Not like down. It's right as soon as we... Okay, yeah, done? Oh, okay, yeah, make sure you cover it up. Obviously, she's going to pick it up, so someone doesn't step in it and move it away from right in front of the trail.
Even better, I have biodegradable toothpaste.
Oh, right, awesome. We like biodegradable because, as you see, people are pigs. Look at this. Look at this ridiculousness. Like, who does this? This is disgusting. Okay, so we're gonna be in the state game land section. I've never gone in this, but section up here. Oh, I hear shooting. There's gonna be some of that. Maybe you smell my doggies. I think so. Off we go. Well, if you can't go around, you go through, right? To get out, you go through. It won't be that bad. It'll be all right. That wasn't too bad, right? There, see? And she's even talking back there. Probably can't hear that. The GoPro's not the best on the volume, mic thing, whatever. So if I go far away, it's not gonna hear me real well, and you can't really turn it off. It's kind of weird. Ooh, look at all the pine trees. I love the pine trees. Pine trees are my favorite. It's nice and quiet though. I hear water. It has to be near that bridge. Oh, cool. My last video, somebody in the comments said, look at me with my granny glasses on. Huh. I didn't think they looked like granny glasses. Well, thanks a lot, Philly Drone Life. Michael. He's teasing. He teases. It's funny. I'm like, granny glasses? Where did you get that at? Oh, look at this. Look at these rocks. I love when people do that along the trail. I want to do that. Okay, so this always kind of confuses me, and I know somebody's going to say this part. That means we're coming from one and going on to one, right?
I have no idea.
I think that's what that means. Like we're coming from one and then it turns. Oops. I think that's what that one means. I have like a little grid that will, it tells you each, like if there's another, two of them coming from one, hey, at least we know we're on the blue blaze. That's important. Oh, I can hear the water down there.
Going down this hill.
Oh, not as bad as Sunday when I went out and I wiped out twice in the mud. Yeah. It was snowy and muddy and starting to thaw a little bit.
Yeah.
So it was pretty bad. One, I did a split, and I had Lily with me, and she fell in the water once. And of course, we didn't catch it. What if I go first? Oh, it is a little bit. It's a bit slippery. Hold on tight, man. Oh my God. Hey, look at this river, guys. Oh, yeah, it's real slippery. It's real slippery. Oh, I think Doogie's getting a little bit scared because it's slippery and you can see down in the bottom of it. these old barn stones. Aren't they awesome? This is extremely slippery. Like, I feel like I'm going to... Whoa! Okay, ready? Set. Oh my god. Look how pretty. Guys. Goodness. It's super cool, right?